Ready for racing? Race number 9. Racing just is started. We have Divine Choice. Break quickly at the start. Moving up on the outside, loving me. Divine is down on the inside. Lady Pegasus, gusto ko. Happy ka. Gold Baron, while Siba is the early trailer by about 8 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Divine Choice. Divine in second. Lady Pegasus is racing in third. Gusto ko. Happy ka. Loving me. Gold Baron, while Siba is still running up the tail of the field. Down the backstretch they travel. We have Divine Choice, followed closely by Divine on the outside. Lady Pegasus is down on the inside. Loving me comes next, then comes Gusto ko. Happy ka. Gold Baron, Siba and at a far turn, two runners keep on fighting out for the lead. Divine Choice, Divine is on the outside. A length for the back. In third comes Lady Pegasus, loving me. Then next on Lanaw is Gusto ko. Happy ka. Gold Baron, Siba as they swing for home. We have Divine Choice, followed by Divine on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. Divine moving up on the outside and now saying it's my turn to take the lead. We have Divine. Divine Choice drops back in second, and finally Divine Choice. Then comes Lady Pegasus, loving me. Gusto ko. Happy ka.
All right, 4, 6, 3, 7.